This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Squid Proxy. Edit /etc/squid/squid. Conf to set HTTP port, define ACLs, and configure allowed networks, then restart the Squid service. I'll walk you through common options, caching tweaks, and basic authentication choices in a friendly step-by-step way. By the end, you'll have a working proxy that filters traffic and caches content to boost performance for your users. Follow along at your own pace for a smooth setup. Next, we'll focus on access control and authentication so your proxy stays secure. I will explain ACL syntax and how to order HTTP access rules to prevent accidental lockouts. Then, we will enable basic authentication and test user logins from a client machine to confirm behavior. Finally, I will show how to restrict admin interfaces to trusted addresses so management remains safe and auditable. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleaning effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you spend less time sweeping and more time configuring servers. It's a handy companion while you wait for installs to finish. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's optimize caching and consider SSL interception so your proxy improves speed while respecting privacy. I'll guide you through cache diar sizing, refresh pattern examples, and how to monitor hit rates. We'll cover the implications of SSL bump and certificate installation if you choose to inspect HTTPS traffic. Finally, I'll show simple monitoring commands and log checks to help you spot misconfigurations and improve overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.